Why should I ever use getattr? From my understanding, getattr object, method, is equivalent to object.method. If this is true, what is the point of using getattr?
Objects in Python can have attributes. For example, you have an object person that has several attributes, name, gender, etc. You access these attributes via methods or data objects, usually writing person.name, person.gender, person.the_method, etc. But what if you don't know the attribute's name at the time you write the program? For example, you have attributes name stored in a variable called gender_attribute_name. If then, instead of writing you can write some practice.
You can use getattr if you have the name of the attribute as a string, e.g. Also, it is nice to use when you have a default value that you want to use when the attribute is not set.
Usually when the name of the method is not known when you write the code, or when you want to write generic code that works on multiple attributes, while avoiding writing the same thing over and over.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.